Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So this ABC correction I was talking about yesterday, potentially being an ABC and potentially continuing up, obviously failed. Now, one thing my old mentor used to always say to me is, if you think something is an ABC correction and you enter and it doesn't trend almost immediately, be maintain impulsive movements, but instead it makes like a 1, 2, 3 pattern and then golfing down, then that is not the end of an ABC. Now that it's going down again, I think that we're going to have to switch back to our original analysis on the daily time frame, which is that this is the A, this is now three waves of B, and then it's going to go up and make a C, and that would still be the wave one, wave two, and eventually down for wave three, maybe several weeks from now. So likely, I think we're going to go down, grab this low right here, probably hit the 78%. Then I think we're going to start a move to the upside for the wave C. So keep that in mind on the sort of time frames. The 78% is still quite a ways down. So, I mean, if you are trading the sort of time frames, you possibly could get a couple of little shorts. Then, if it double bottoms at the fib level, breaks shorts to the upside, you could exit your shorts and potentially think about going long for the bigger wave C. Because I do think this is a wave B. I do think this is a wave A. And I think we're eventually going to go up for the wave C, just like what I showed on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.